Hi, I'm Dear Friends. This is Krita, and I'll show you how to turn your image, how to align it. Okay, so this image obviously need to be done something like that. I'm going to image and I'm finding the rotated the list. Click on it, and now I can choose some specific rotation like 90 degrees left or right or 180, or I can choose my custom angle rotation, choose direction left or right, let it be right, and choose the angle. You can tape it here like 10 degrees for example, or change the angle by using those arrows, or what is more useful for me, I'm using this clock for changing. Okay, let's see. It's done, but what's not good, you have to do it maybe a few times because you have to choose this angle, another angle. What I will do, Ctrl Z firstly, I'll go to transform tool, click on it, and rotate the image a little bit. As I think is better to be done. Like this, for example. Okay, enter. And now I have to remove those areas, and I will remove them by using crop tool. Okay, let us select what area I want to leave. Something like this. Enter. Oh, maybe let's crop it a little bit more. Something like that. Yes, it's better. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.